Welcome to spring 2024, ladies and gentlemen. So with the temperature rising, race season is back. So I'll be going through some past footages of my 992 Targa4GTS manual. I actually found a really cool onboard clip of me driving at the Cayuga racetrack. So before we go through the onboard footages, I just want to go through some things. First, this is actually my first time at the Cayuga racetrack. My timing, my braking, my lines might not be the best, but we're just using this as a vague reference. Second thing is I'm actually driving a 992 Targa4GTS in manual. It's not PDK. The shifting might not be the very fastest. Number 3, it's a warm day. It's around 12 degrees, not the warmest, not the coldest. Because it's my first time there, I was driving in comfort mode. I wasn't driving in sport or sport plus. There is auto revving. I actually turned that one on. One more thing is I actually did 2 laps. The first lap is just a warm-up lap. I didn't really push. That one was just to kind of warm up the tires. The second lap is actually a push lap. So that one, I actually did push the pedal to the metal. So if you're looking for pace and the best line, the second lap will be the one. So you guys are ready? Let's take a look. So that is it, guys, my first onboard at the Cayuga track in Toronto, Ontario. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything at all, do leave them at the comments down below. As mentioned, it is my first time on the track. Be kind. I know I'm not the fastest. I know my lines might not be perfect, but this is my first time, so be gentle. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.